In these exercises, you have to read the question and the parameters given. Basically, you have to read the operation description and then fill in this table the codes used in the operation with each of the codes description. However, the last column here states the TMU of the code. As soon as you write the code or select the code, the respective TMU will automatically appear on the box. This is the first question where the operation name is given, which is search placket, and the description states to pick up placket from pile on table, place under needle, then sew till end plus runoff of 1 centimeter. Sewing here obviously means serging or overlock. In the end, dechain the plackets onto a pile. We have certain parameters. The first states to assume the difficulty level to be medium, but only during calculations. So while you're actually writing the sewing code in the table, you have to state the actual level of difficulty, whether it's an X or an M or an E. But then while you're calculating the TMU of sewing, you consider medium. This is obviously only when the sewing code TMU has to be calculated manually. We only have the medium chart available for calculation. The second parameter states the machine RPM to be 3000. Also, we have a pictorial representation of the placket over here, where the length is shown to be 16 centimeters plus a runoff of 1 centimeter approximately. So according to the description provided of the operation, we break it down into 3 code descriptions, which is to pick up placket first, then a sewing code for sewing till end, and then dechaining parts. So the first sentence is a P3 code, which is picking up a small part. So we have get placket from pile and then place in the needle, a P3. Next is a sewing code. We have sew 17. Now instead of 16, we have 17 because 16 centimeter is the length of the placket plus a runoff of 1 centimeter. The difficulty level is S because a placket can be considered as a single ply or part which has to be overlocked upon. So it has the least difficulty level while stitching. Also, in the end, we have the stop accuracy level, which is also the lowest, that is X. This is because you have a centimeter runoff and do not really require any stop accuracy. In the end, we dechain the placket parts and put them into a pile, so it's a D4 code. Then the TMUs are allotted, so the P3 and D4 codes have their respective TMUs. The sewing code, when you're calculating manually, it will be using this chart where you consider the length first. This is the length of the part that you're sewing. So we have 17 centimeters length, so we take the next level of length that we have, which is 18, which comes down to this column, and then later on we have a 3000 RPM, which is the parameter already stated. So the TMU for this code would be 85. We have 85 plus 0 here. This is because the X code always counts for 0 TMUs. The stop accuracy is least and it's 0 TMUs that's taken into account. And this is how you actually do this exercise, by filling in the table with all the units that are required.